Here are the top 5 smartest animals on Earth. Number 1 is insane, but first, like and subscribe for more wild facts. Number 5, parrots can mimic human speech, understand meanings, and even solve logic puzzles. Number 4, elephants never forget. They mourn, use tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Number 3, dolphins have their own names, understand commands, and can solve complex problems. Number 2, crows can make tools, remember faces, and even pass problem-solving tests better than toddlers. Number 1, chimps are our closest relatives. They use tools, hunt together, and learn through observation. Which animal do you think should be number 1? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild content.